While millions of people head to the usual hotspots like Paris, Rome, or Bangkok, there are hidden gems around the world that offer everything a solo traveler could dream of: affordability, safety, stunning sights, and unforgettable experiences. These are 10 of the most underrated cities in the world you need to visit as a solo traveler. 1. Ljubljana, Slovenia, Europe's hidden fairy tale capital. Often overlooked in favor of cities like Vienna or Prague, Ljubljana is a dream for solo travelers. Its pedestrian-friendly streets, riverside cafes, and fairy tale castles make it feel like something out of a storybook. Why it's perfect for solo travelers: extremely walkable and bike-friendly. No need for public transport in the compact old town. Safe and welcoming. Slovenia is one of the safest countries in Europe. Budget-friendly compared to Western Europe. Enjoy luxury at lower costs. Must-do experiences. Visit Ljubljana Castle for panoramic views. Explore the alternative art district of Metelkova. Take a day trip to Lake Bled, one of Europe's most stunning destinations. 2. Valparaiso Chile, a colorful haven for artists and explorers. If you love street art, coastal vibes, and bohemian culture, Valparaiso is an underrated South American treasure. Why it's perfect for solo travelers: affordable for budget travelers, low-cost accommodations and food, creative and artsy atmosphere, a paradise for photographers and creatives, safe in well-traveled areas. Stick to the popular neighborhoods and avoid isolated streets at night. Must-do experiences. Wander through the Cerro Alegre and Cerro Concepcion neighborhoods for stunning murals. Take a funicular ride up the steep hills for incredible city views. Visit La Sebastiana, the house of poet Pablo Neruda. 3. Hoi An Vietnam, the lantern-lit ancient town. One of Southeast Asia's best-kept secrets, Hoi An offers rich history, charming canals, and some of the best street food in Vietnam. Why it's perfect for solo travelers: extremely affordable, delicious meals for under $3, budget-friendly accommodations, super safe and welcoming, ideal for first-time solo travelers, great for digital nomads, plenty of cafes and co-working spaces. Must-do experiences. Take a cooking class to learn Vietnamese cuisine. Ride a bicycle through rice paddies and local villages. Explore the Hoi An night market for souvenirs and street food. 4. Ghent, Belgium, a medieval beauty without the crowds. While Bruges gets most of the attention, Ghent is equally beautiful, but with fewer tourists. Its stunning architecture, scenic canals, and vibrant nightlife make it perfect for solo travelers. Why it's perfect for solo travelers: less touristy than Bruges, a more authentic Belgian experience, great public transport and walkability, easy to navigate solo, affordable compared to other Belgian cities, cheaper than Brussels. Must-do experiences. Visit the Gravensteen Castle, a medieval fortress. Take a boat ride through the Ghent canals. Enjoy Belgian fries and waffles at local street vendors. 5. Oaxaca, Mexico, the soul of Mexican culture. With vibrant markets, stunning landscapes, and some of Mexico's best cuisine, Oaxaca is a solo travel paradise. Why it's perfect for solo travelers: safe and welcoming for tourists, great for solo female travelers, affordable for any budget, low-cost accommodations, and street food. Rich cultural experiences, known for its indigenous traditions and art. Must-do experiences. Visit the Monte Alban ruins, an ancient Zapotec city. Taste authentic Oaxacan mole and tlayudas. Explore the colorful local markets for handcrafted souvenirs. 6. Kyoto, Japan. Serenity and culture beyond Tokyo. Kyoto is a peaceful, history-rich alternative to Tokyo, with stunning temples, beautiful nature, and a deep cultural heritage. Why it's perfect for solo travelers: extremely safe and easy to navigate, perfect for first-time solo travelers, great for slow, mindful travel. Take your time exploring temples and gardens, affordable capsule hotels and guest houses, unique and budget-friendly accommodations. Must-do experiences. Walk through the Arashiyama bamboo forest. Visit the Fushimi Inari Shrine and its famous torii gates. Experience a traditional tea ceremony. 7. Tallinn, Estonia. A fairy tale city with a tech edge. Tallinn is a perfect blend of medieval charm and modern innovation, making it one of Europe's best underrated destinations. Why it's perfect for solo travelers. One of Europe's safest cities, great for solo female travelers. Digital nomad friendly. Estonia even offers an e-residency program. Affordable compared to Scandinavia, a great alternative to expensive Nordic countries. Must-do experiences. Wander through the UNESCO-listed Old Town. Visit the Teleskivi Creative City for arts, cafes, and nightlife. Take a ferry to Helsinki, Finland, for a quick day trip. 8. Porto, Portugal. Wine, coastlines, and history. Porto is often overshadowed by Lisbon, but this charming coastal city offers a slower pace, a rich cultural heritage, and an affordable yet breathtaking experience. With its historic architecture, world-famous wine, and stunning river views, Porto is a dream destination for solo travelers looking to explore without breaking the bank. Why it's perfect for solo travelers. Friendly locals and social atmosphere. The people of Porto are warm and welcoming, making it easy to strike up conversations and meet fellow travelers. Affordable food and wine. Some of Europe's best culinary experiences can be enjoyed here for a fraction of the price of other Western European cities. Walkable and easy to navigate. The city's compact layout makes it ideal for solo exploration on foot, offering stunning sights around every corner. Must-do experiences. Visit Livraria Lello, one of the world's most beautiful bookstores, said to have inspired J.K. Rowling while writing Harry Potter. Enjoy a wine tasting in the Douro Valley, where you can sample Portugal's famous port wine straight from the vineyards. Walk across the Dom Luiz I Bridge for panoramic views of the city and the Douro River, especially at sunset. 9. Medellin, Colombia. The city of eternal spring. Once infamous for its past, Medellin has transformed into one of South America's most exciting and welcoming cities. Why it's perfect for solo travelers. Super budget-friendly, affordable accommodations, food, and public transport. Rich history and culture. A fascinating blend of tradition and modern innovation. Safe and welcoming. One of Colombia's most improved and tourist-friendly cities. Must-do experiences. Ride the Medellin Metrocable for stunning views of the city and surrounding mountains. Visit Comuna 13, a once dangerous neighborhood now bursting with street art and music. Explore Plaza Botero and admire the iconic sculptures by Fernando Botero. 10. Kochi, India. A laid-back coastal retreat. For solo travelers looking for a peaceful escape with rich history, delicious food, and tropical vibes, Kochi is a perfect choice. Why it's perfect for solo travelers. Extremely affordable, great for budget travelers, safe and welcoming. One of India's most laid-back destinations, perfect for wellness and relaxation. Home to Ayurvedic retreats and yoga centers. Must-do experiences. Visit the Chinese fishing nets at sunset. Explore the Jewish quarter and spice markets. Take a houseboat cruise through Kerala's backwaters. Which of these underrated cities would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share with fellow travelers. Your next adventure is waiting. Where will it take you?